Welcome to Rust Buster's installation guide for Nissan's 2005 to 2021 Frontier. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities and follow all manufacturer safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Unbolt the bed and lift it away from the bed mounts. The center bed mount is located above the rear forward leaf spring mount. Remove the fender liner if needed to access the mount. Clear any lines or brackets from the work area and make sure the fuel tank is protected. Step 3. Cut the factory center bed mount from the frame rail at the base of the mount. Step 4. Grind the work area clear of rust, debris, slag, and jagged metal. Apply weld-through primer to the prepared area. Step 5. Position the replacement center bed mount on the frame rail. Use the silhouette of the factory mount to confirm proper alignment. Step 6. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the replacement mount in place. Verify alignment, then fully weld all seams between the mount and frame rail. Step 7. Paint the replacement mount and surrounding work area with rust protectant. We suggest our Rust Buster rust converter and primer spray paint. Step 8. Lower the bed and bolt it back to the bed mounts. Reinstall any lines or brackets removed during preparation. Finally, reinstall the fender liner if it was removed.